Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are taking a close look at what many consider the best 4-way Sillcock key wrench on the market, the Hanpex 4-way Sillcock key wrench. This versatile tool is designed to fit most sillcocks, stopcocks, water spigots, wall hydrants, control cabinets, and various valves, making it an essential addition to any homeowner's or professional's toolkit. The Hanpex 4-way Sillcock key wrench comes with 4 different key sizes: 1/4 inch, 9/32 inch, 5/16 inch, and 11/32 inch. These sizes cover the majority of sillcock and valve applications, so whether you're turning off water at the exterior faucets or working on wall hydrants, this tool is ready to handle the job. The multiple stem sizes packed into one compact wrench mean you won't need to carry multiple tools, saving space and effort. Measuring just 3 by 3 by 0.65 inches, the compact size of this wrench makes it incredibly easy to store, whether in your toolbox, glove compartment, or even a survival bag. It weighs about 150 grams, striking a balance between sturdiness and portability. Its durable steel construction ensures longevity and reliability, capable of withstanding the wear and tear that comes from frequent use. This robust build is perfect for anyone needing a reliable tool for both occasional home maintenance and regular professional use. The design is simple yet functional. It offers excellent grip and leverage to help you open or close valves that might be stuck or difficult to turn. Its multi-functionality means you can quickly switch between the 4 sizes without any hassle, speeding up your workflow. One of the great features of the Hanpex 4-way Sillcock key wrench is its compatibility. It fits most sillcocks and related water controls, which makes it highly versatile and practical. Whether you're a plumber, a maintenance worker, or a homeowner who likes to handle minor repairs and maintenance tasks, this wrench is an invaluable tool that can save you time and frustration. Overall, the Hanpex 4-way Sillcock key wrench is a compact, durable, and multi-sized tool that offers excellent value for money. Its sturdy steel build, multiple key sizes, and practical design make it a must-have for anyone dealing with water spigots, wall hydrants, and other valves. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile utility key, this is definitely one to consider. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product insights.